Yes, honey?
I'm leaving for work.
All right, okay. See you when you come back.
Okay.
Hello? Yes, you can start coming. Just come over, okay? Yeah, she just left. Thanks for coming, okay?
You're welcome.
I didn't know that you'd be this fast.
Oh, trust me now. So tell me, what about your wife? Hope she's not coming back anytime soon.
No, she's not coming back anytime soon at all.
Alright, that's fine. So, what about those gifts I sent to you?
Wow, the gifts?
Yeah.
I'm going to get them, okay? All of them.
Fine,
Yeah.
please, just be careful. Those...
Oh, why did you choose the expensive ones?
Of course now, I have eyes for good things. Don't you trust me again? Make sure you get those fitted, beautiful bags I sent to you. The shoes, the perfume most especially. You know, there's this body spray that's in vogue. Please, I want you to make sure you get them, okay?
No problem, babe. I'll get everything.
All right, I trust you. So, what about the vacation, please?
Oh, okay. Let's also make arrangements for that.
Well, I'm thinking of Dubai. I think it's a very good place for two lovers to go.
Dubai.
Yes.
Well, Dubai is okay, but I think Greece will be better. Okay, there are more exciting places in Greece than Dubai.
All right.
So I think Greece will be perfect.
Well, I think I like your idea. Greece is also fine because I think Dubai is kind of casted, though. You love good things, oh.
I've been around the world. Like I know a couple of places you can go to that are quite exciting.
Wow.
And I know that once we are there, everything will make sense. Seriously.
Yes. Everything will make sense. Oh my God, that's nice. So, what are the preparations? How are you going about the preparations?
I'm thinking about maybe starting in 2 weeks' time. 2 weeks' time will be better. Okay. That's the right time to go about it.
Yes, I agree with you. Her birthday is next month, exactly 2 weeks' time, like you said. But I think the vacation should come after her birthday.